Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, we have the test tube unboxing for September 2020. I'll leave my test tube playlist to watch previous unboxings. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. Test Tube Beauty is $30 a month and you get over a $150 retail value of beauty products. Also, when they mail out the tube, it comes in a box and we have a bunch of products that were outside of the box. We'll go over those first before diving into the tube. The first item is by AquaAge. This is the dry shampoo style extending spray and it retails for $24. I definitely use my fair share of dry shampoo. It says that you can buy it at Ulta, which I had no idea this brand even existed. So if it works out for me, definitely know where to replenish. I struggle finding a good dry shampoo. A lot of them like to either weigh down my hair, cause a lot of buildup, or cause a very annoying white cast. So I definitely like to try a bunch of dry shampoos out just to see what works, what doesn't work for me. The best one that has worked out for me to date is the Batiste dry shampoo. 1, it's affordable. 2, it doesn't weigh down my hair. 3, it doesn't cause the white cast. This definitely will be put to the test. This is a hybrid product that combines cleansing, oil-absorbing powers of a dry shampoo with the volumizing benefits of a texturizing spray, which really excites me because sometimes I rather use a texturizing spray as opposed to a dry shampoo because I like how it makes my hair feels. It's also been a great product for me to help refresh my curls. So since I washed my hair today, tomorrow in the morning I will spray a little bit of texturizing spray just to help rejuvenate the curl. The next item is by Good Science Beauty and this is the purifying face cream and it retails for $48. There is also a variation where you could have received the skin brightening cream and this is what it looks like. Let's try to get some. This is what it looks like dispensed on the hand. Oh wow, it's super lightweight. Definitely for your face, I'm gonna need a couple of pumps and my hand absorbed that super quick. There's a little bit of a scent to it, but nothing too overwhelming. This biotech native brand leverages the natural properties of elemental silicone. Its proprietary silicone technology delivers scientifically proven ingredients in a bioavailable state and time releases them to perform their intended function. Interesting. So it says for blemish prone skin aggravated by city living, apply to clean skin morning and night, use 1 to 2 pumps and massage in the face. I definitely will need 2 pumps because 1 pump definitely did not feel like a lot and it's super thin, so I have to make sure that my dry skin is going to be covered. I'm very intrigued by this. I like how it's called Good Science Beauty. I'm definitely geeking out being a chemist by training. I just hope that this works out well with the rest of my skincare routine. I'm also very curious to look at some of their other products in their line. Let me know if you got the skin brightening cream and how that worked out for you. Each product contains a powerhouse ingredient duo wrapped in good silicone technology to achieve results. Among key ingredients are melatonin, glutathione, marine omega-3, hyaluronic acid, barley extract, or willow bark. Our mission is to use science to solve skincare problems without creating new ones and make everyone feel great in their skin. We always ask ourselves, how would a great scientist answer this? Next we have by Maskology. This is the Pucker Up Lip Plumping Kit and it retails for $4. Yeah, me and lip plumpering, we don't get along. I'm usually allergic to all those plumping ingredients, so I'm going to set that aside for a giveaway. But this 3-step kit includes an exfoliator, lifting mask, and a plumping gloss for the most thorough pick-me-up your palette has ever experienced. I would probably keep it just to use the exfoliator and the mask and then just skip the plumping step. Next we have by After Spa. This is the Bath and Shower Exfoliating Washcloth that retails for $7. I feel like I'm just seeing this brand a lot recently because we saw them in BOXYCHARM. They had like a tanning mint. I actually might keep this for myself just to see because I definitely need exfoliation with like the colder weather coming through. Now we can scrub all those hard to reach places without the fuss. This exfoliating washcloth is treated with an antimicrobial that resists the accumulation of bacterial and fungi. This sounds pretty nice. I'm excited to give this a shot. Gently massage your skin to clean and exfoliate. Stretch cloth for those hard to reach areas. Use with shower gel, soap, or body scrub. Rinse cloth with water and air dry. Use daily. Wonder how long this will last. Oh, I really like that it stretches out for your back. Oh, that's the hard to reach area. My mind automatically went to the gutter. My bad. All right, so far so good with those items that were outside of the tube. Let's open the tube and see what we still got in store for us. And this is what the inside looks like. Next we have by AntiAge. This is the home micro kneading intro kit that retails for $120. I actually received one of these in Glow Addict a few months back, so I'm going to set this one aside for a giveaway. This is powered with stem cell growth factors. This kit is your one-stop shop to healthy skin. It includes 1 derma roller and 2 vials of home micro kneading solution to last 10 treatments. Luckily, there's instructions on the back of this. The one I got in Glow Addict had no instructions. So testing it, I didn't realize I needed to soak it in rubbing alcohol first. Learned that the hard way. So luckily there's really easy instructions on the back so you don't make the same mistakes that I did the first time. I always see this shop in the mall and I don't know how to pronounce it. This is by L'Occitane. This is the cleansing oil to milk cleanser. I can never have too many oil cleansers. I go through them so quickly, especially wearing a full face of makeup like this. I like to go in with a cleansing balm, oil cleanser, and then I'll cleanse one more time just to make sure it got all the makeup off so there's nothing left behind to clog the pores. This is ideal for a healthy looking glow. This oil to milk cleanser removes all traces of waterproof makeup and impurities for irresistibly soft and supple skin. This is going to get so much use. I'm actually running fairly low on oil cleansers. I have my Tatcha, and then I got one from Face Tory back in the spring box, so definitely have been using my fair share of oil cleansers, so it's nice to get one in a box to help replenish when I do run out. I am not familiar with this brand at all. I haven't tried anything from them. I just walked by the bougie store in the mall. It doesn't have the retail price, it just says where to buy, but since it has a standalone store, I just assumed it was bougie. I know that they have like a bunch of lotions and creams. I've always been intrigued, but not enough to actually physically go to the store, look at the prices, and be sad, because you can keep walking in the mall down to Bath & Body Works, buy 3 get 3 free. Next, by CO Bigelow, this is the antibacterial hand sanitizer that retails for $6. I have really been appreciating a lot of boxes including hand sanitizer in a monthly subscription. I don't know about you guys, but around me, hand sanitizer is still a little bit harder to find. I just got one in my e.l.f. order, so I thought that was really cool. Never thought I would get so excited seeing hand sanitizer in a box. The last item is by Glow Skin Beauty. This is the Suede Matte Lip Crayon that retails for $22. And we received the shade Angel. Ooh, this shade is so pretty. Oh, and I kind of broke the tip on the swatch, pressed a little too hard. This is what Angel looks like. Before it broke on me, it definitely felt really creamy, which I liked. I find a lot of these crayons to be super drying, so for it to have a creamy touch to it, it definitely took me by surprise. Hence why I did press on a little bit harder just to make sure that the shade was going to show up upon the swatch, but now I know when I apply it on my lips to be super gentle. Otherwise, this crayon is not going to last very long. I haven't heard of Glow Skin Beauty before, but it's a gorgeous shade that's going to pair really nice with a bunch of neutral looks. Overall, I am pretty excited for my test tube beauty. It did have its fair share of some filler products, but I think that's something that they've transitioned to in a way by putting in like some lower dollar items like one lip mask and then the washcloth. But I think it balances out with having some of like these really high end products like this $120 skincare tool right here. I think it has single digit items, double digit items, and then sometimes triple digit items, and then there's also like a nice variety of products because you got your skincare, lip care, hair care, safety care, even a makeup item. So I really like the variation that test tube does provide. I think test tube started a little bit rough at the beginning of the year and it's slowly gotten better. I still think that the last tube was probably my favorite. Maybe I'm biased because we got Sunday Riley in it, but I think that this tube was still going in the right direction with like these two products. Those items are what keeps me excited about this box as opposed to being turned off by it. I would love to know if you guys get test tube. Did you get the same items as me? I know there was the one variation of the Good Science cream. Let me know which one you got. Did you get the purifying cream like me, or did you get the brightening cream? How did these products work out for you? I know I'm really excited to incorporate some of these items in my routines. And are you guys looking forward to November's box? Sometimes I forget that this box is bi-monthly because on the opposite months I get my Tribe Beauty box. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.